In this video, we will learn about if statement and if-elif-else statements in Python. An if statement is a programming conditional statement that, if proved true, performs a function or display information. The form of the statement is the if keyword followed by an expression, terminated by a colon to introduce a new block. Testing numerical values is pretty straightforward. For example, the following code checks whether a person is 21 years old. I have this variable x and assign it value 21, or make a variable age 21. Now we will check if the age is equals to 21. Is in if condition age and equals to make comparison in the if block, and under the if block we can print person is 21 years old. This statement will be executed only if the condition over here becomes true. Or is it true? So I will save this if sample.py, and on terminal we'll run this. To start in the terminal, and in this terminal I will do python if sample.py. You can see it printed person is 21 years old. We can also test to see if two numbers are not equal. For example, if I have value y equals 200, and I will check here if y not equals to 200, then I can print value of y is not equal to 200. Here we are checking in if condition, if y is not equals to 200, then this statement will be executed. Now just save it again and run our script, and let's see. Over here, Python example, you can see value of y is not equal to 200. Now back to our editor. You can also include various mathematical comparisons in your conditional statement, such as less than, or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to sign. For example, if we have now age, we will set to age is set to 19, and in if condition, if we check if age is greater than 18, print age is greater than 18, or it is better to say you are older than 18. And now just save and run. Over here we are checking for greater. If age is greater, if this condition becomes true, then this statement will be printed, executed. Just need to run it again and check for it. You're older than 18. So this way you can check. To check for age less than or equal to 21, for example, we can do something like this. Not this one. Here. Okay. Now I will set check for age if age less than if age is less than or equals 21, then we can do right here, we can say this one is not equals. This is where we have space, so here we go, and then print age is less than or equal to 21. That's simple. Just need to say run again to make sure that everything is okay. Age is less than or equal to 21 because I have set it to 19. We can also check multiple conditions. Checking multiple condition, you may want to check at some time. For example, sometime you might need two conditions to be true to take an action. So multiple condition we can also check in Python with if statement. So back to our code. Let's need to scroll down a bit here. It is fun and easy to work in Ubuntu Linux. Writing Python code is fun. However, I have like age one variable where I have set it to 22, and then age 2, then and then in our if statement, now we can check age 1 and age 2, both of them, such as if age underscore 1 greater than or equals to 21, if age is greater or equals to 21, and mean the both condition must be true. So in this if, it will check that if both condition are true, and over here also greater or equals to 21. If both age are greater than 21, then we'll print both are 21 or older. Now just run it again. Python. This syntax mistake. Let's see what the mistake is. Fix that. Oh, there's column missing here. Do it again. Yep, both are 21 or older. So now we will look into if-else statement. An if-else block is similar to a simple if statement, but the else statement allows you to define an action or set of action that are executed when the conditional test fails. If the if fails, then the else will be executed. Let's see an example of it. Now this editor back, and over here I'll set age to again age to 17, and I will check if age greater than or equals to 18. You are 18 or older. So if the age is greater than 18, then this message will be printed. Else Now we got else too. If that condition is false, then x else statement or will be executed. For example, over here inside the else we have print you are younger than 18. Let's see and run this. You are younger than 18. So it works. The else statement works for us. Now we will look into if-elif-else statement. Sometimes you will need to test more than two possible situations. And to evaluate this, you can use Python's if-elif-else syntax. Python execute only one block in a if-elif-else chain. So only one will be executed, but multiple things will be checked. So come here and I will change our code a little bit, and instead of age I will use marks over here. Just too much space. Okay, so if we have 100 mark, and in our if block we will check if mark equals 100, we will print you got a grade. That's nice. If marks equals 100, print you got a grade. Now if to keep it simple, we are not going to check range. For example, from 80 to 90 is this grade and that. We are just going to match with the exact number. So in our elif L if here we are going to do marks equals to 80, then we will print you got B grade. Just note over here we are also checking condition in elif, so we are matching with the 80. If marks are 80, then we can do, and we can go over here and print message you got B grade. So here we're gonna do print you got B grade. And then we need to use else and not so good message print you are failed. You failed. Okay. Now save and run. So our terminal. You got a grade, so that person is happy. Now change that grade to something else, Mars. For example, if we do something 40 and go back there and run our program, now this guy will be upset. So you fail. So this way you can use if statement, if else statement, if-elif-else statement in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends and support us. Thank you for watching. Keep on learning programming skills. Thank you.